when to eat flax seeds, morning or night. You may eat flax seed at any time of the day. However, eating too much before a meal might decrease your appetite, as flax seed is very rich in fiber. There are no extra benefits of eating flax seed at any particular time of day. Did you know that the Latin name for flaxseed, Linum usitatissimum, means highly useful? The components of flax plants and their byproducts like flaxseed oil have been used for many purposes as medicine and animal feed for centuries. 6 grams of flaxseed a day gives you the equivalent of 1 concentrated dose of alpha-linolenic acid, most commonly known as omega-3 essential fatty acids. Reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, high cholesterol, constipation and even cancer. Eat 1 tablespoon of flax seeds daily. Order vitamin B12 enriched flaxseed Laddu.